Hello and welcome to E Prime. Now the Grammy Kid is back on the music scene after a one-year hiatus. Koffee today released her newest, follows her 2020 Pressure remix with Grammy-winning reggae icon Butcha Banton. Before that, her massive summer anthem, the Dane Ray-produced Lockdown, which was the #1 streamed song out of Jamaica for 2020. Lockdown also became her second best streamed song, now amassing 57 million views behind Toast with 183 million views on YouTube alone. Koffee is also working on her first full-length album that will be released in the coming months. Now back in February, Koffee told Rolling Stone magazine that for her upcoming debut LP, she will focus on the idea of unity, as positivity is definitely a theme. Reggae singer Skip Marley's track Vibe, which features dancehall artist Popcorn, has been getting some positive reviews since being released a week ago. The track is featured on Billboard's Top 10 R&B Hip Hop Fresh Picks of the Week and is promoted as a must-have in new music. In the article, Billboard describes the song as a pulsating and hip swing blend, perfect for weekend activities. This is the first time Skip Marley and Popcorn have worked together on a song.
Got it, she got it. She got it, but I know you got it, you got it, you got it.